If you want to schedule posts on Instagram without using the Creator Studio, there are alternative methods you can use, including third-party apps and Instagram's in-app scheduling feature. So here are some options. First of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. You can use Instagram's native scheduling feature, which is available for professional accounts, and ensure that your app is updated as well. You can open the Play Store or App Store on your device, search for Instagram application, and ensure that it's updated. Now come back, open your Instagram application again, and try switching your professional account if not already. And then go ahead and create a post. Tap on the plus icon and select your photo or video. Edit the content and write a caption as well. And now before publishing, go to Advanced Settings. Locate the Schedule This Post option, that is the initial one, and toggle the switch on. Select a date and time for the post to go live, and then confirm your post and it will be scheduled. You can also use popular scheduling apps which allows you to plan and automate your post. Some reliable options include Buffer, Later, Hootsuite, and Panelly. You can download and install the application on the device and link your Instagram account and then create a post. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.